Welcome back to Explore with Meg, your go-to channel for all things travel, tips, and adventure. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first flight, I'm here to help you navigate the ins and outs of travel so you can focus on making memories, not mistakes. Today, we're diving into a topic that every traveler needs to know about: how to keep your belongings safe and avoid having your stuff confiscated at airport security. There's nothing worse than starting your trip on a stressful note because something in your bag didn't make it through TSA. Airport security can be overwhelming, especially with new rules and ever-changing regulations. The Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, is constantly updating its guidelines to keep us all safe. But did you know that in 2026, the TSA is rolling out even stricter rules? That means more items than ever could be taken from your bag if you're not prepared. Every year, millions of travelers lose everyday items at security checkpoints. Sometimes things you'd never expect, like your favorite shampoo, a handy tool, or even a souvenir you picked up on your last trip. And with the new 2026 rules Essentials, with the list of restricted items is only getting longer, so what can you do to make sure your trip doesn't get off to a rocky start? Let's break down the top 10 items the TSA will confiscate in 2026, and I'll share some smart packing tips so you can breeze through security with confidence. Grab a pen and paper, or save this video for your next trip. First up, liquids over 3.4 ounces. This rule has been around for a while, but it's still the #1 reason travelers lose items at security. Remember, all your liquids, gels, and aerosols must fit in a single quart-sized bag, and each container must be 3.4 ounces or less. That means your favorite full-size shampoo, lotion, or even a water bottle will be tossed if it's too big. Pro tip: buy travel-sized containers or pick up toiletries at your destination. Next, sharp objects like scissors, pocket knives, and even nail clippers with blades. These are a big no-no in your carry-on. If you need them, pack them in your checked luggage or leave them at home. The TSA is especially strict about anything that could be used as a weapon, so double-check your bags before you leave. Sporting goods, such as baseball bats, golf clubs, and hockey sticks, are also on the banned list. And of course, firearms and ammunition are strictly prohibited in carry-on bags. If you're traveling for a sports event or hunting trip, make sure to check the airline's rules for transporting these items in checked baggage, and always declare them at the counter. Self-defense items like pepper spray, mace, and stun guns are not allowed in your carry-on either. Even if you carry them for personal safety, they'll be confiscated at security. If you need them at your destination, research local laws and consider buying them after you arrive. Tools over 7 inches in length, such as wrenches, pliers, and screwdrivers, are also banned from carry-ons. If you're traveling for work or a DIY project, pack these in your checked bag or ship them ahead of time. Flammable items, including lighters, matches, and certain aerosols, are a big safety concern. The TSA will also confiscate any explosive materials, fireworks, or anything that could be considered hazardous. Even some everyday items like spray deodorant or hairspray can be flagged if they're too large or not properly packed. Large electronics, like laptops and gaming consoles, must be placed in a separate bin for screening. If you forget, you'll be asked to step aside and unpack your bag, which can slow you down and hold up the line. Keep your electronics easily accessible so you can move through security quickly. By knowing these items and packing smart, you can avoid unnecessary stress and make sure your trip starts off on the right foot. Double-check your bags, follow the rules, and you'll be on your way to a smooth, hassle-free journey. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. First up, spare lithium-ion batteries and power banks. These small but powerful devices are essential for keeping our gadgets running, especially during long trips. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or camera, having a spare battery can be a lifesaver. However, these can never go in checked luggage, only in your carry-on. The reason? Fire risk. Lithium-ion batteries, while efficient, can pose a significant hazard if not handled correctly. In the pressurized environment of an airplane's cargo hold, the risk of a battery malfunction increases. If a battery ignites in the cargo hold, it's a major emergency. The confined space and lack of immediate access make it difficult to manage such incidents. This is why airlines and security agencies are strict about battery placement. TSA agents will remove any batteries or power banks from checked bags, no questions asked. They are trained to ensure the safety of all passengers by enforcing these regulations. Always double-check your bags before heading to the airport. Keep all batteries and chargers in your carry-on. This simple step not only complies with safety regulations, but also ensures that you have access to your power sources when you need them most. It's a simple habit that keeps your devices safe and your trip on track. Imagine being able to charge your phone while waiting for your flight, or using your tablet to watch a movie during a layover. Don't let a packing mistake leave you powerless on vacation. A dead device can mean missing out on capturing memories, navigating new places, or staying connected with loved ones. So, remember to pack smart and keep your power within reach. Number 2. Cordless hair tools like curling irons and straighteners. If they're powered by lithium batteries or butane cartridges, they're a fire risk. These must go in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. For butane tools, only one per person is allowed, and refills are banned. If you want to avoid hassle, stick to corded tools. Remember, carry on only and check your airline's rules before you fly. Number 3 on our list is a rule that catches many travelers off guard. The classic 311 rule for liquids. If you've ever found yourself frantically repacking your bag at the airport, you know how important it is to understand this guideline before you even leave home. All liquids, gels, and aerosols in your carry-on must be in containers of 3.4 ounces, or 100 milliliters, or less. These containers all need to fit comfortably inside a single quart-sized, clear, resealable bag. This means your shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, lotions, and even your favorite face mist all have to meet these requirements. If you try to sneak in a larger bottle, even if it's almost empty, it still won't make it through security. So anything bigger gets tossed, no matter how expensive or sentimental it is, that luxury shampoo or pricey perfume you just bought. If it's over the limit, it's going straight into the TSA trash bin. It's always tough to watch your favorite products get confiscated, especially when you know it could have been avoided. To avoid this waste, invest in travel-sized bottles that you can refill for every trip, or consider switching to solid toiletries like shampoo bars, soap bars, and even solid lotion. These are not only TSA-friendly, but they also last longer and are better for the environment. Many brands now offer solid versions of your favorite products, making it easier than ever to travel light and smart. And don't forget about hydration. Bring an empty reusable water bottle with you. You can't bring liquids through security, but you can fill your bottle at a water fountain or refill station once you're past the checkpoint. This saves you money and helps reduce single-use plastic waste. Don't let your favorite products end up in a TSA trash can. It's a frustrating and expensive mistake that's easily avoided with a little planning. Plan ahead and pack smart. Double-check your toiletries before you leave, use a checklist, and make sure everything fits the 311 rule. That way, you'll breeze through security and start your trip stress-free. Number 4. Sharp objects. Knives, box cutters, loose razor blades, and even some nail files or scissors over 4 inches are banned from carry-ons. Multi-tools with blades, not allowed, even if you only use the screwdriver. If it's sharp, pack it in your checked bag. Before you leave, check your bags and pockets for anything sharp. Wrap sharp items safely in your checked luggage. Don't lose your favorite tool at the checkpoint. Number 5. Sports gear that can double as a weapon. Golf clubs, baseball bats, trekking poles, hockey sticks. If you can swing it, it's not allowed in the cabin. These must go in checked luggage, often in special cases. Hikers, even collapsible trekking poles are banned from carry-ons. Check your airline's policies for sports equipment and pack accordingly. Don't get caught off guard at security. Plan ahead so your gear arrives with you. Number 6. Hazardous or flammable materials. Gasoline, lighter fluid, camping stove fuel, solvents and spray paint are strictly banned from all luggage. Some aerosols like hairspray are allowed in small amounts, but others, like spray paint or pepper spray, are not. Bringing these can lead to fines or even prosecution. Always check labels for flammable or fire symbols. Buy fuel or hazardous items at your destination instead. When in doubt, leave it out. Number 7. fireworks, ammunition, and anything resembling explosives. All fireworks and gunpowder are banned, and even realistic-looking replicas or novelty items can trigger a security shutdown. Toy grenades, fake dynamite clocks, or realistic toy guns, leave them at home. Trying to bring these can result in missed flights and legal trouble. If it looks like a weapon or explosive, it's not worth the risk. Don't joke around with security. Keep your trip drama-free. Number 8. Vapes and e-cigarettes. These must go in your carry-on, never in checked luggage due to battery fire risk. Spare batteries for these devices. Carry-on only. You can't use or charge them on the plane, but you'll have them when you land. If you pack them in checked bags, they'll be confiscated. Keep your device and batteries with you in the cabin. Simple switch, no surprises. Number 9. Large containers of powder. Any powder over 12 ounces, about a soda can, in your carry-on must be screened separately. This includes protein powder, baby powder, spices, and drink mixes. If it can't be inspected, it may be confiscated. To avoid delays, pack large powders in checked bags or portion them into smaller containers. Be ready to remove powders for screening, just like laptops. Save time and hassle at security. Number 10. High-proof alcohol. Anything over 70% alcohol, 140 proof, is banned from all luggage. Alcohol between 24% and 70% is limited to 5 liters per person in unopened retail packaging. Duty-free purchases can be tricky if you have a connecting flight. Check the rules and keep bottles sealed. Always check the label before you buy. If it's too strong, leave it behind. Pack legal bottles carefully in your checked bag. That's your essential guide to what the TSA will confiscate in 2026. Travel rules are always changing, so stay informed and pack with care. A few minutes of planning can save you time, money, and frustration at the airport. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart travel tips. Join our community for guides, destination spotlights, and all the tricks for smoother trips. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.